Namaskaram. Today the topic is the impact factor of journal. The impact factor of the journal. Okay, write down. The impact factor in brackets IF close bracket of an academic journal is a measure reflecting the average number of citations to recent articles published in the journal. First up, it is frequently used as a proxy PROXY for the relative importance of a journal within its field, with journals with higher impact factors deemed to be more important than those with lower ones. First up, next sentence. The impact factor was devised by Eugene, E capital, Eugene, Garfield, G capital, Garfield, Eugene Garfield, the founder of the Institute for Scientific Information. First up. Next sentence. The impact factors are calculated yearly starting from 1975 for those journals that are indexed in the Journal Citation Reports, J capital, C capital, R capital, Journal Citation Reports. First up, next paragraph. In a given year, the impact factor of a journal is the average number of citations received per paper published in that journal during the 2 preceding years. First up, for example, if a journal has an impact factor of 3 in 2008, then its papers published in 2006 and 2007 received 3 citations each on average in 2008. First up, the 2008 impact factor of a journal would be calculated as follows. Okay, write down. The alphabetical letter capital A is equal to the number of times that articles published in that journal in 2006 and 2007, were cited by articles in indexed journals during 2008. Full stop. Next alphabet capital B. B is equal to the total number of citable items, double inverted comma, citable items published by that journal in 2006 and 2007. First up, put a bracket, write down citable items, inverted commas, are usually articles, reviews, proceedings, or notes, semicolon, not editorials or letters to the editor. Close the bracket. Full stop. So to calculate next paragraph. So to calculate 2008 impact factor is equal to capital A divided by capital B. Full stop. Next paragraph. Here, note that 2008 impact factors are actually published in 2009. Semicolon. They cannot be calculated until all of the 2008 publications have been have been processed by the indexing agency. Okay, thank you.